How to link BattleNet and Steam. In this video, I'm just going to show you in a very small steps that how you can link BattleNet and Steam, right? So first of all, just go to your BattleNet and make sure you are logged in. Same, you have to do the same thing. Just go to your, Steam account and make sure you're logged in here. Now, you have to log in into Activision and make sure you're also logged in here because Activision is the only medium who is going to link BattleNet and Steam, right? So once you are here into the Activision, just go to your profile, and once you click on the profile, you will see option of account linking, right? And here you can see that to link my, first of all, I have to link my BattleNet, and there's another option, link through my there's a Steam. So you can see it is already linked. So to unlink, I have to click on unlink. I will show you through the BattleNet. So just click on link and just click on send code. So this will send code to your email address and you have to enter that code, and after that you will able to link with your BattleNet. So this is how you can do it, and in fact there's a lot more. You can just link with it, PlayStation or Nintendo, and there's Xbox too. So these are the way where you can just link with a Steam account with BattleNet. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.